I can't believe that we hit 200 subscribers so dang fast. All you gotta do is stick around to the end of the video, and I will let you know how you can win one of these, which is actually it's one of these in a box, so can't see it, but it's in there, I promise.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest. Today's a Thursday, so you know that we are live copping some Supreme today. This week isn't the greatest week, I'm not gonna lie. I will be going for a pair of the Air Maxes and a pair of the socks, and that's about it. I'm going straight manual, so if I can get it, I get it, and if I don't, then I don't. I do have a pretty good track record at the last few Air Maxes that dropped from Supreme, so hopefully it keeps up. I do have a huge announcement though, obviously. You guys came through, we are well over the 200 mark, so at the end of this video, I will let you know how you can enter to win this guy right here. In this box is actually this guy right here, but you can't see it because it is sealed, brand new in the box. I'm not giving you my extra garbage, I'm giving you something brand new from last year. It even has the tag on it, there you go. You can read, you can read. So I am going to give one of you lovely subscribers the chance to win this guy right here.
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind.
All you gotta do is watch the end of this video and I'll let you know what I want you to do in order to get entered in and make sure you have a chance to win this knife right here. What I'm thinking is I probably will just do a giveaway every 100 subscribers. So if you don't win this giveaway, just stick around till I hit 300 subscribers, and then there will be some other amazing trinket for you to possibly win. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, all that stuff. It really helps get these videos out there. The channel has grown like crazy within the last month, so I really appreciate it, and I want to give back to any of you guys that have been supporting me throughout. That being said, I'm about to be late, so I'm going to jump over the computer right now and see if I can cop anything off of Brick Week. Okay guys, about a minute to go here. It took me a while to get set up. I about missed this drop. I am on accessories. I'm going to go for socks, and then I'm going to try to go for a pair of those shoes if I can. Not the biggest deal if I don't get them. I do want a pair of socks for no reason at all, so that's what I'm going to end up doing. I think the socks will actually do well over time. 11 a.m. Let's do something. Oh, there we go. We got it. Okay, sorry. I'm an idiot. I need a size 4. Add to cart, new, refresh, shoes, black, and I want a size 10. I'm going to add that to cart, and I'm going to check out now. Easier said than done. I don't think anybody was actually trying to get stuff today, so worst case scenario, we shall see. Okay, great, we got it. We did what we wanted. Woo! Got some black socks and some black shoes. That probably doesn't go well together, does it? Let's see if we can get a pair of the red ones just to do it. A really stupid single cart for some socks. I just want to have both of them. Oops. Oh, these are sold out. Alright, well, there you go. Quick day. Not a bad little cart. We went and grabbed the shoes in the right size. Did not save on shipping. Jesus Christ. That is terrible. Whatever. Better than just buying socks by themselves, I guess. And I do know that Swift Sole messed up with the socks. They had the sock sizing wrong. That messed up everybody in the US for that. That's all I need to do here. Let's head back over to my other spot and I'll talk about the giveaway. That was the easiest Supreme shoe cop that I've ever done in my life. That either means that these are extra bricks or Jebbia blessed me or something. It might be because of the 200 subscribers. Now I have that extra power behind me and I can just manual anything. Maybe that's what it is. Honestly, that's one of the better manual pickups that I've had in a while, picking up both the shoes and the socks in one cart. That's some manual multi-cart madness right there.
Yeah, boy.
So the only thing that I have left to do is to maybe give away something. If you want a chance to win this knife, which is this knife, it's just in the box. I don't want to trick you guys. What I'm going to need you to do is, 1, please subscribe. These are the best videos on YouTube. You know it. This is like Detroit in the 60s. We just keep putting out hits here. So obviously, step 1, subscribe. Step 2, comment below, I want that knife. That's all you got to do. Comment below. I want that knife. I'm going to leave this open until the next video. So as long as you have a comment below that says, I want that knife, I'm going to put you into the drawing. I will run the drawing during next week's drop list video, and for everybody out there, good luck. If I could give you all one, I would, but I only have one, so that's where we're at. Thanks again for joining me on this wonderful Thursday live comp for Supreme. It was a nice, easy, light day. We got what we wanted, and then we got out of there.
Look at him, he takes a little coin.
And I hope that you guys were able to get whatever it was that you were going after today. If anything, please stay tuned Monday, box logos. Definitely pay attention. Box logos will most likely release online on Monday. So please pay attention to all the Supreme outlets that you pay attention to, because that is what it's looking like. So do your best for those box logos. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and I will see you all next video.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.